This is the real story of Bruno Mars. Today, millions of people know his voice. They know his songs. They see him on big stages with bright lights. But before the fame, before the awards, he was just a struggling songwriter in Los Angeles. He did not start as a superstar. He started with a dream. A boy from Hawaii. Bruno Mars was born in Hawaii. His real name is Peter Gene Hernandez. He grew up in a musical family. His father played music. His mother sang. Music was everywhere in his home. When he was very young, he performed on stage. He loved the spotlight. He loved to sing. People said, "He is talented." But talent is not enough. When he was 17 years old, he made a big decision. He moved to Los Angeles. He wanted to become famous. He wanted to make music for the world. But Los Angeles was not easy. A hard beginning. In Los Angeles, nobody knew him. Nobody cared that he was talented. Record companies said no. Producers said no. Managers said no. They did not see a star. They saw a small young man from Hawaii. He felt alone. He felt frustrated. Sometimes he did not have much money. Life was expensive. Dreams were expensive. But he did not go back home. He stayed. The struggling songwriter. Bruno could write songs. He was very creative, so he started writing songs for other artists. He worked with producers and small music teams. He sat in studios for many hours. He wrote lyrics. He created melodies. He changed words again and again. Many people did not know his name, but they heard his songs. He helped write big hits like "Nothin' on You" and "Billionaire." These songs became popular, but the spotlight was not on him. Other singers became famous. He stayed in the background. Imagine that feeling. You write the song, you work hard, but someone else stands on the big stage. Was it easy? No. Was it painful? Yes. But he was learning. Every song made him better. Every no made him stronger. Almost giving up. There were moments when he felt tired. He thought, maybe I will only be a songwriter. Maybe he would never be the main artist. Maybe people would never know his face. But inside, he still had a dream. He did not move to Los Angeles to hide. He moved there to shine. So he made a decision. He would not wait for permission. He would not wait for someone to say, "You are ready." He believed in himself. The breakthrough. In 2010, everything started to change. He released his own song, "Just the Way You Are." This time, the voice was his, the stage was his, the spotlight was on him. The song became a huge success. Suddenly, people asked, "Who is Bruno Mars?" Radio stations played his music every day. Fans loved his voice. The struggling songwriter was now a star. But remember, success did not come in one day. It came after years of rejection, after years of hard work, after years of writing for others. From small rooms to big stages. After his first success, he did not stop. He worked even harder. He released more songs, more albums, more performances. Hits like "Grenade," "Locked Out of Heaven," and "Uptown Funk" became global successes. He performed at the Super Bowl. He won Grammy Awards. The boy from Hawaii was now one of the biggest stars in the world. But he never forgot his struggle. He knew what it felt like to be ignored. He knew what it felt like to be rejected. That is why he respected every opportunity. What can we learn? Bruno Mars was not an overnight success. He was a struggling songwriter first. He worked in the shadows. He helped others shine. And when his moment came, he was ready. Maybe today you feel invisible. Maybe you work hard and nobody sees you. But your work is not wasted. Every small step matters. Every no teaches you something. Maybe you are writing your own future right now. Like Bruno, you may start in a small room, but one day you may stand on your own stage. Do not give up too early. Success often comes after the hardest moments. If this story inspires you, like this video and subscribe to the channel to watch more exciting real stories and improve your English at the same time.